Revolutionary actor Captain Vijayakanth. Vijayakanth is an actor who stole the hearts of millions of Tamils. The leader of the party with lakhs of volunteers. He is multifaceted in the film industry as an actor, producer and director. In politics, he held many responsibilities such as party leader, assembly member, opposition leader. Vijayakanth's real name is Narayanan Vijayaraj Algaswamy. He set his name as Vijayakanth for the film industry. His fans and party workers enjoyed calling him Captain more than the name Vijayakanth which he had established. He was also hailed as a revolutionary actor for the roles he played in the film industry. He was also described as a black MJR in politics. Vijayakanth was born on the 25th of August 1952 to Alagar Swamy in Endal at Ramanushapuram near Aruppukkottai in Virudunagar district. He grew up in Madurai. He came to Chennai because of his passion for acting. His first film was Agal Vilaku. The film was released in 1979. He started his acting as a villain. He gradually grew into a protagonist. The 1981 film, Chattam Oru Iruttarai, gave Vijayakanth a unique place in the Tamil film industry. Captain Prabhakaran is his 100th film. After the film, he was hailed as a revolutionary artist and was called Captain. Many of Vijayakanth's films focus on the patriotic dedication of police and military service. The films were a revolutionary voice against corruption and bribery. Such an influence can be seen in the films he acted in such as Pulam Visarane, Captain Prabhakaran, Vallarasu, Ramana, Narsimha. The family films like Chinna Counter, Vanathai Pola, Ingal Anna and Tavasi earned him fans from all walks of life. Vijayakanth has acted in more than 150 films. It is noteworthy that 150 films are only Tamil films. He has never acted in other language films. He introduced 54 new directors in the film industry. Vijayakanth is probably the famous actor who introduced so many new directors. It is noteworthy that it was Vijayakanth who gave the film college students a unique identity. The movie, Umai Viligal, which he acted for film college students, got a unique identity for film college students in the Tamil film industry. Subsequently, he acted in films like Uzavan Magan, Senthura Poov and Kaviya Thalaivan with the film college students. Vijayakanth also has the distinction of being an actor who acts without dope in film stunts. Vijayakanth married Premalata on the 31st of January 1990. He has two sons Vijaya Prabhakaran and Shanmukha Pandian. He has received awards such as MJR Award, Kalaimamani Award and Filmfare Award in his journey in the film industry. Vijayakanth was also the president of the Tamil Film Association. It was during his time that the debts of the Tamil Film Association were paid off and South Indian Actors Association was the leading film association. He started Desiya Mapakku Dravida Kalagam at the political conference held in Madurai on 14 September 2005 and was elected as a member of Legislative Assembly in 2006 and 2011. In 2011, he was also the leader of the opposition in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. Vijayakanth, who was the beloved leader of Tamil film fans and political activists, passed away on 28 December 2023. Vijayakanth's unique reputation in the Tamil film industry and in the world of politics will remain forever.